Top 6 free certifications to boost your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn slipped a tiny stat into a blog post. Profiles with just one verified skill badge are 27% more likely to land on a recruiter's shortlist. 27. Meanwhile, most new grads are crossing their fingers that someone scrolls past the empty licenses and certifications box. If you're done waiting for magic, hang around. 4 minutes from now, you'll have 6 $0 certificates that recruiters actually type into the search bar, plus the exact clicks to glue them onto your profile. Section 1. The list. Coffee's hot, let's sprint, HubSpot Academy, social media marketing. It's the fastest way to prove you can turn likes into leads. You'll map out a month of content, write copy that stops thumbs, and track ROI with a couple of UTMS, 5 hours, pause whenever you want, and HubSpot hands you a LinkedIn-friendly link. Recruiters see the logo and mentally tick no social. HubSpot Academy, digital marketing, same price, free, just wider. SEO, video, paid search, email automation, all crammed into one tidy certificate. 1 weekend, done. Great if you want to yell, I get the whole funnel without actually yelling. Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, 40 micro modules, IAB accredited 14-ish hours. Covers search, display, email, analytics. Basically the keywords every entry-level posting copies and pastes. Pass the final quiz, copy the credential ID, LinkedIn auto pulls Google's blue check issuer, instant street cred, Google Analytics certification, GA4. Every marketing, JAD now screams data-driven. This badge shows you can set up events, build reports, and turn numbers into next steps. 5 hours of Skillshop videos, 1 50-question exam, and you're officially analytics savvy. Recruiters filter for Google Analytics more than any marketing keyword except SEO. Don't leave that keyword on the table. LinkedIn Marketing Solutions certification. LinkedIn will teach you to run LinkedIn ads, then give you a badge that lives on LinkedIn. Meta, maybe. 3 bite-sized courses, 2 hours total, 45 quick questions at the end. Finish, and your profile gets a bright LinkedIn certified stamp that B2B hiring managers swipe right on. Simply Learn LinkedIn Marketing course. Only have a lunch break? This 1-hour crash course still coughs up a certificate. Company page tweaks, showcase pages, basic ad targeting, covered. Stack it beside the Google certs and you're stacking keywords without stacking hours. Section 2, quick how to add them. Ready? Open LinkedIn. Add profile section, licenses and certifications. Copy the course name, letter for letter. Issuing org, HubSpot, Google, LinkedIn, and auto suggest the blue check. Paste the credential URL so recruiters can one-click verify. Add the issue date. Fresh certs beat dusty ones. Save, refresh. Watch your profile strength hop from intermediate to expert. If this saved you a night of rabbit hole research, hit like so another broke marketing grad can find it too. Section 3, pro tips to max the algorithms. Keywords, work the certificate title into your about. Example, Google Analytics certified marketer who turns data into stories. Recruiters search words, not mind read. Skill tags, drop each cert's core skills, SEO, PPC, content strategy into the skills section. You get 50 slots, use them. Reorder, newest, shiniest cert on top. Only 3 shows before the see more fold. Share, post a quick win when you pass. It bumps you back into recruiters' feeds and anyone following hashtag digital marketing sees you. 6 free badges, faster than a season binge. Start HubSpot. Social tonight, knock out Google Analytics this weekend, and Monday could start with connection requests from people who actually pay money. Tell me below, which one you're tackling first. Want help turning those new leads into job offers? Subscribe. Next week, I'm walking through the exact answers that flip "will be in touch" into "when can you start?"